12th class mathematics new syllabus 2020-21 chapter number 3 trigonometric function lecture 2 presented by Sri A.D. Patil. Solution of triangle. In this solution of triangle we have to learn the polar coordinates. Let O be the fixed point in a plane. Another we have to consider OX be the fixed ray in the plane O is called pole and ray OX is called the polar axis. Let P be a point in the plane other than pole O. Let OP equal to R and measurements of angle XOP equal to theta. The order pair R theta determine the position of P in the plane. They are called polar coordinates of P. R is called the radius vector and theta is called vectorial angle of point P. Now, in these polar coordinates, the remark is that the first remark, vectorial angle theta is the smallest non-negative angle made by OP with the ray OX. Second, theta is greater than equal to 0, less than 2 pi. And third, pole has no polar coordinate. Second thing is that relation between the Cartesian and polar coordinates. Now first we draw the Cartesian system in x and y axis. Let O be the pole and OX be the pole axis of polar coordinates system. We take line along OX as the x-axis and the line perpendicular to OX through O as the y-axis. Let P be any point in the plane other than origin. Let xy and r theta be the Cartesian and polar coordinates of P to find the relationship between them. By the definition of trigonometric function, we have sin theta equal to y divided by r and cos theta equal to x divided by r. Therefore, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. This is the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Is it correct? Now we have to solve the problems related on Cartesian coordinate systems and polar coordinate systems. In examination, we ask the question, find the Cartesian coordinates of a point whose polar coordinates are 2 and pi by 4. Now in this example, polar coordinates are given, then we have to find out the Cartesian coordinates. Now here given r equal to 2 and theta equal to pi by 4. R and theta is the polar coordinates. Using by the definition x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, we get x equal to 2 cos pi by 4. The value of pi by 4 is 1 divided by square root of 2. Then 2 multiplied by 1 divided by square root of 2 is 2 square root of 2. Y is also y equal to 2 sin pi by 4 equal to 2 multiplied by 1 divided by square root of 2 equal to square root of 2. Here sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 are the same value. The required Cartesian coordinates are square root of 2 and square root of 2. Find the polar coordinates of a point whose Cartesian coordinates are 1 divided by square root of 2 and minus 1 divided by square root of 2. Here we are giving the Cartesian coordinates and find out the polar coordinates, that is r and theta. From the coordinates of the given point, we observe that the point lies in the fourth quadrant because x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. Therefore, the relation between polar and Cartesian coordinates is r square equal to x square plus y square. Then r square equal to, we have to simply put the value of x and y. X is the x coordinates and y the y coordinates. Therefore, r square equal to 1, then r equal to 1. Now the second, by using the definition of trigonometric function x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, then put the value of x and r, find the value of theta. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 divided by square root of 2 and sin theta equal to minus 1 divided by square root of 2. That is theta equal to 7 pi by 4. This is the required polar coordinates r, 1 and 7 pi by 4.